Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. I am sharing with you today another apple cider vinegar detox drink. I love apple cider vinegar. I actually have a whole playlist of apple cider vinegar drinks. Check that out. I'll link it in the description box. But for this apple cider vinegar drink, I'm gonna prep it all up so that I'm ready for the week. I like to have 2 per day, so this will only last me 3 days. But I have been really into peaches this summer. Peaches are just delicious right now. So I have this country peach passion tea that I got at the store. It is caffeine free, so you can drink this anytime you want. And I'm gonna add in the tea, the apple cider vinegar, and then I like to add in a little sweetener to kind of mask the taste of apple cider vinegar because it does not taste very good. So I'm going to use some honey. So I made some of this last week because I wanted to test it out with the honey, how it would save in my juice containers for the week. So I thought that it might like separate, the honey might get cold in the fridge, but it actually stayed perfect and nice and delicious and all mixed all well. So I'm gonna make a batch and show you how I make it. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and make sure you leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. One reason why I love apple cider vinegar so much, it can aid in weight loss, which is really great. It is wonderful for your immune system. So I have my whole family starting to drink it now. My husband, my mom, my dad's not quite on board yet, but it is just all around such a great healthy thing to have. And you can just add it into your healthy eating. It's definitely not going to just make you lose a whole bunch of weight overnight. You definitely still have to eat well, stay active, but it is really great to have to stay healthy. So I'm gonna make this all up. I'm gonna get this tea brewed and then I'll mix it all into my containers. Also, I always get questions about these containers when I make these juice prep videos. These are from Amazon. I will link them in the description box. I have been using them for a long time. I think I've had these like over maybe 2 years. So really, really great quality. They are reusable, really nice, thick plastic. So it comes in a big, huge pack. I think there's 18 in the pack. So I'm just gonna make 6 for today, but I will link these in the description box if you wanna try them out from Amazon. Super awesome. All right, I'm gonna get this drink all made up. Okay, I have my water. It is all boiled up. So I'm going to add it into my pitcher. Then I'll add in the tea bags. And I'm gonna let this brew for like about 10 minutes to get all that awesome peach flavor. So there's my water. And I'll add these in. Let's see, I'm gonna do a few tea bags. I think I'm gonna do 4. So that it gets nice and flavorful. So I'm gonna let this sit and brew up for about 10 minutes and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the tea is still really hot, but I'm gonna add in the honey so that it can get all nice and mixed up with this awesome tea. It smells so good. So I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons and I'm just gonna put it into, there we go, into this tea. And I love honey as a sweetener, all natural and just makes everything delicious. Okay, so 3 tablespoons. And then I'm just gonna mix all this up and I'm gonna let it cool before I put it into my juice containers with the apple cider vinegar.